All right. Okay. I think we are live. Perfect. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to open the YouTube video for all of us to catch up to everything that's going on. All right. There you go. We are live. That's great. Okay. Now, one thing we need to do is put this on Discord. Now, where is Discord? There you go. I'll just put this out here. That okay. The stream notifications, right? Live now. Perfect. Hope everyone joins. Okay. I'm gonna wait for everyone to join, guys. Take your time, no rush at all. Just come whenever you can. Say hi in the chat if you're here. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna quickly update everywhere that I'm live now. Sounds good. And the thing is, like, I'm starting to see the difference in terms of. I'm starting to see a lot of people getting interested with this project. The only problem is that it seems very simple for something to be indexed, right? But eventually, I think the whole interface is going to be very impactful. The only question is whether we want to limit this to Git commands, right? So that's something that we can always optimize on. Anyways, so let's get started. I'm gonna give you guys a few more minutes, 2 more minutes before we start. Let everyone join in, relax a bit, then we start. But I'm actually curious. Mm, Git commands. Is it a cheat sheet for Git? Okay, I don't really think Atlassian is gonna help me out here. Something that I'm looking forward to is Git blame. Yeah, actually, you know what? Let's look at what do we get, right? Um, maybe not here. Let's start a new tab. Let me zoom in for you all. Right, so let's do Git blame help. Right, so what's really going on? Annotates each line in the given file with information from the revision. Yeah, so I really want to start with reverse. No, not reverse, but I mean that, okay, can I give a revision to you and you give me, yeah, incremental? No. Yeah, so let's try that out, right? First parent. Guys, I'm having tea while streaming, so sorry if you hear the voice. Um, right. Oh, this is also interesting. Uh, no. I I thought this is gonna be helpful. This is not much machine. I think this is just a default format. Oh, it's not. So which one is better? Might actually use it somewhere. You see, like, um, what about git log hyphen psrc main.rs? So that does give you the files that have been edited immediately. So I really don't have to do git diff tree, right? So how does git diff tree perform? Okay, I really need to do. I think this whole point of, okay, first of all, you know what, guys, lazy extras. Where's snacks.picker? Yeah, I really don't want you, right? Can you please bring me FCF? Yep. That's one thing I really like about. Okay, it's working, right? You update. There's nothing to update. Oh, it's getting updated. I think it's getting updated, guys. Give it some seconds. It will be done. All right. You have local changes in coc.nvim. Do I have? I mean, it's not possible, right? clone failed. Okay, that's okay. I can fix that now. A lazy. Yep. Not installed. Install again. Yeah, there you go. It worked now, so it should be fine. What's really happening with these? Is it really Zelich that is acting up? Oh, wow, it's I've never seen any picker being this slow, guys. See? Yeah, this is hello. Hi Swanand, welcome to the stream. Yeah, what's up? I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. There's something I'm surprised with that these things are so slow. Yeah, look at this. I think um you know what, like oh, wow, this is extremely slow. I think oh I know what's happening. Can I go to get ignore? Yeah, I think I know what's happening. Maybe we can optimize it later, but okay. Cool. Anyways, where were we? What things? Sorry. So, मतलब किस बारे में I forgot what did I say यार. Sorry. How's everything? Eventually, I think that's what I asked. I don't know what I was referring to. I'm having tea, guys. Should I give you some tea? All right. So let's quickly get to this, right? So extract string from output is probably not used right now, which I would eventually want to. CS खेलने आओ आपकी साइड चेक भी साइड चेक भी आई है नहीं भाई आई कांट आई एम डन विथ all this. Yeah, we should ideally do that, right? Okay. Yeah, okay. I probably don't need this. I don't need this. I'm just line count as well. I think I'm not needing right now. Unused. What am I even using if I'm not? So I need author details for sure. Count. I need count, right? चोको ने शादी कर ली हाँ इस दुनिया से उठ चुके हो नहीं काइंड ऑफ मर गया मैं यही बट चौकोस ने शादी कर ली भाई बताया भी नहीं ये लोग सीक्रेटली शादी क्यों करते हैं बट आई मीन आई अंडरस्टैंड इतना मे बी डाला होगा एंड आई डेंट सी इन द ग्रुप माय बैड आई हैव नॉट बीन वेरी एक्टिव रिसेंटली सो इट्स माय फॉल्ट cargo will release dot target so you see my point is let's look at git command right over here. Yeah, this is better I guess. Where's extract details? Yeah, I think I can for now get rid of all these whatever I was having. So I have enabled threading here. The point is, can I compare? Right. So let's maybe compare for now. Target release context pilot. Is there a percent time command? Yeah, right. Percent time. Target release context pilot. I don't know it works this way or not. I'm just trying. pwd-t index. Yeah, job not found. It might need. Okay, how do I? Let's quickly check. Maybe I think I can go here. Are yeah. Okay, not this one. Not this one. Where's Safari? Hi Devashish, welcome here. Welcome to the stream. There you go. Let's also get it full screen so that yeah. Okay, what I'm looking for. Hi Unhinged. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, thank you so much for joining, guys. Whoever is here, thank you. Thank you. What I was searching about, I forgot. So we were searching about. Okay, yeah. Like what we want to do is we want to benchmark shell command. I'm looking for fish, to be honest. So let's see if they have maybe, or like they might have something like, okay, let me ask. In fish shell, I hope it's specific to the shell. Is there a command to check time taken by a single command? Long weekend being utilized, yes. No, long weekend tha kya? Oh, Friday some people had off, is it? Time, oh, time does that. I did try, I thought. I am not doing much on the long weekend, buddy. Uh, I actually wanted to work for my company, but then I realized, okay, let's also wrap this up. All right, let's let it print. Okay, you know what? Like, this is not the best way I want to look at it. What I want to do is probably time and hyphen T SRC instead of this. Too many open foils. Yeah, this I need to change. Guys, so what we are doing is basically we have enabled threading, but I was getting this error, which was basically doing too many open files. So it informed me that you can use this U limit. So which basically sets a number of threads you can launch. So right now the limit is 256, which is the default. So if I increase it, you will see this will not happen again. Yeah, there you go. Now this will work as fine. Like, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna see how much does it take for a project of size. Let's see how many lines of code do we have. How do you do it, guys? Anyone remembers? Why is it so slow? Why are things? Oh, it's probably because of I'm using all the threads. Is it? Could be. So you can do ls star star no ls src star cat star wc hyphen l 2170. No, wait. You can't. This is this not what you do? Oh yeah, there you go. So it's 1400 lines of code. So for 1400 lines of code, it will taking probably 1 minute already. Yeah, it's taking how many seconds, guys? Overall, 71 seconds. User 85 seconds. I mean, okay, closer to. Yeah, this is like not good as well because we launched so many threads. But we can fix that. The only thing is git log hyphen l src main dot rs. Let me see. Okay. All right. So can I check? Yeah. So what we are looking for is shows the commit logs, right? Um, yeah, I think this is also helpful, by the way. So hyphen L. Okay, can I do this? Git log hyphen L 1 comma 100 src main.rs. Yeah, so this is git log hyphen L. Now I want to check how can I hide full diff. Yeah, this is interesting. So trace the evolution of the line range given by start comma end or by the function name within the file. You may not give any path spec limiters. This is currently limited to walk starting from a single revision. That is, you may only give 0 or 1 positive revision arguments or 1 positive. Yeah, I think this is very helpful function for us to look at. So what does it do? Yeah, I want to also see diff formats. Yeah, okay, let's do no patch. No patch. So I don't want to see. Yeah, there you go. Right. Right. So let's say if I change it, does it change? Okay. You know what? What I can do is get log hyphen l 1 comma 10. Quickly check with readme.md. No patch. Yep, there you go, right? And so this like commit is 6313, add links to the plugins. And if I do git log hyphen l maybe 50 comma 100 readme.md no patch, what does it give me? Yeah, it gives me different. Okay, I don't think we need that much then. So what we can probably do is, yeah, so we can overall optimize this further, right? So let's start with this. I'm gonna tell you guys what to do. Pub function extract details. Start line number will take, end line number will take, file path will take. Yeah, so this should be giving us vec of author details, right? Now what I want to do is let's do config object. Yes, I want to do config object. I don't want to do all this. This is I don't think useful. Yep. So what you use get log hyphen l, line number is start line number. end line number, file path, and no patch. So right now we don't need the patch, but I think eventually we would want to see the patch coming in. So let's say let output equal to command new, and we start with git. Yeah, there you go, right? So I can expect ChatGPT to quickly wrap it up. Start line number, end line number, no patch. No, this is not correct though. So this expects a format of L, start line number, end line number, and then it expects us to, yeah, something like, not even like this, something like no patch. Yeah, and I think we can get rid of everything else then. There you go, right? So this is the output we get. And what I want to do is, okay, for now to make the LSP happy, let's do this. Now what I would want to do is, so we got the output, right? So now we want to read the output. Yep, there you go. So we'll have to create a past. Yes, so past, where's paster? Wait a minute, guys. I think I can just do cd. Yeah, there's this thing, right? So first let me look at the output again. Let's read through this again. This does seem very helpful. The only problem is that you eventually have to figure out what are the files that were changed. So I don't think no patch is helpful because we can't get rid of the whole. I want to do it in a single shot. So can I do that is the question. So decorate, print out the ref names of any commits that are shown. If short is specified, the ref names prefixes are these. Okay, I mean they'll not be specified. LSP happiness is important. Hello, hi yaar. Welcome Swaraj. What's up, Meow Monster? But you have so many names. Yeah, and I agree. Like LSP is one person you should always keep happy. Yeah, so full diff without this flag, git log -p shows commits that touch the specified paths. Okay, no, I think what I'm looking for is -l. This is interesting, by the way. Git log -l, you can pass a func name, which is going to be regex, and it will give you the it will give you whatever like commits that you had. Glad to see NeoVim is back. Yeah, it's back. Abhi right now focus is to get things done rather than changing it. So I think I'm growing up now eventually. Lines count from 1. This from, okay, so this is very interesting, guys, by the way. Look at this. Even if GF is not happy, it's okay, but LSP needs happiness for real. Exactly, right? I mean, okay, for the record, I'm not saying that about GF, because what if my future GF ends up watching the stream and she's like, it's a red flag? So just for the record, I did not say anything. But yeah, LSP needs happiness, that's true. Offset is what? This is only valid for and will specify number of lines before and after line given by star. Okay, this is like, okay, makes sense. If func name is given in place of start and end, yeah, look at this, guys. This is very interesting. I love this. So I think, I'm not sure. Probably this regex, I don't know since when they supported. Unhinged statement, yeah. So you can do git log -l. Let me actually show you. Probably, I don't know if they have an example here. Interesting. But right now what I'm looking for is commit limiting. Besides specifying a range of commits that should be listed using the special notations explained in the description, additional commit limiting may be applied. Yeah, this is something I want because I don't want all the commits. Yeah, so I can do -n or max count, limit the number of, yeah, I think, okay. Since is something I don't want, since is filter I don't want, until I don't want, author I don't want, grep I don't want. Limit the commits output to once with the log message that matches a specified pattern. Yeah, I'm not looking for something like bug fix or right, all of that. Limit the commits output to ones that match all given grep. No, invert grep. Nope. 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 Yep. Nope. Nope. Yeah, no merges is something I can do. So what we can do is, so far what I understand is we need -l, no patch nahi chahiye. So we want count. I think they had -n, which is, let's say I only want 5 last commits. I also don't want you to print me merges. So I'm going to say no merges, right? Now the point is, I'll tell you, right? This is very important. I want to see what are the files that were changed. So let's I think can I no. Uh, yeah, let's keep on going. Is there no better way to look at git log in new vim? Can I do git? No, I can't do this, right? Is there a help git log? I thought they will have it. Oh, this is git science though, right? Sad guys. I don't know. Can I do this? Can I do this? Yep, there you go. Nice. Okay, it's not rendered correctly though. Uh, all right, guys. I can't see it properly. I'm gonna stick to this. It's weird though. This is really nice, by the way. So we can actually follow beyond renames. So in case a file was renamed, the commit history was changed or something, we can follow as well. Ah, chai. Clear decorations. When specified, this option clears all previous decorate refs. Source, print out the ref name. No, I don't want. Full diff, I don't want. Log size. So guys, log size is very interesting. In case it's huge and you don't want to render it, you can use that. What is this hyphen hyphen? Show only commits that are enough to explain how the files that match the specified paths came to be. This is interesting. So they already do something from their backend. I have no idea how did I come. Let's say. So what I want is can you give me some context? Okay, can I have src main.rs instead? And let's have hyphen n. Let's not limit, no merges for sure. Hyphen hyphen src elgo loc.rs. Why did it not work? Oh, cannot be used, right? Okay. There you go. So they have limitations. Right. Sounded interesting to me. Commit link limiting is something we have already done. Author committer limit the commits output to once with author. No, I don't want. So what I really want is I want this to print, not print the whole diff, but I want it to just show me the files that were changed. Pretend as if all the refs matching. Exclude. Do not include refs matching. No, all of these are not useful, guys. Anyways, how are you all doing, guys? If you're here, don't forget to say hi. You know, it's a single line, very single line. Kya? I mean, 3 characters. So just type 3 characters. Kaise hua? It's 2 characters, guys. Sorry. Hi. Hey. Hey is 3 characters. You can choose to say hey. What's up? Hey, there's a song, na? Uh, okay, fine. I'll shut up. Ignore missing upon seeing an invalid object. No, I don't want. Cherry mark, cherry pick. Nope. Ah, this is interesting. Symmetric difference, huh? पढ़ना पड़ेगा. I mean, Git has so many things. Please don't sing. अब तो गाऊंगा. भंवरे की गुंजन है मेरा दिल, कब से संभाले रखा है दिल, तेरे लिए, तेरे लिए, तेरे लिए. हा 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 हा. देखा? ये. स्वराज ने बोला व्हाट्सअप. कौन आया शेर आया. हाँ, क्या बात है मोहित मानकर इन द चैट. गॉड लेवल. काउंटर स्ट्राइक खेला जा रहा है भाई को. घर जाके मजे हो रहे हैं फाइनली. आउटपुट एक्सक्लूडेड बाउंड्री कमिट्स. यहाँ देखो काउंटर स्ट्राइक चल रहा है मेरा. Sometimes you're only interested in parts of the history. No, bro, I'm not interested in parts of the history. Simplify. Can I do sparse? It's interesting, but you can't really get log src main.rs. No, you can't. Let's see. Full history. Can I do sparse? This is interesting. सोचा थोड़ा सा खेल लेता हूँ. क्या बात है, थोड़ा नहीं पूरा खेलो भाई. Why not? Bhai, they start showing this git. Okay, can I just, there used to be a thing called where you only see the commit author details and all, right? Where is it gone? Can I search? Parse? Sparse nahi. Parse nahi. Okay, this is why. Okay, yeah, there you go. Are these important? Do not show notes. This negates the above notes option. Casino Counter Strike. क्यों भाई क्यों? आओ खेलो. हाँ, there you go. Right. I think pretty equal to one line used to be the one, right? I forgot. Damn, bro. I'm aging up like anything. Now I'm forgetting things. Hyphen. What was it? One line. So they have pretty as well, right? So this is not helpful for multiple reasons, right? First of all, I'm not getting author details and all. That's something I want. Casino Counter Strike. भाई ये मलाई नहीं हट रही है. I don't like malai at all. Guys, I have a startup idea. Let's make a startup. Sorry, let's make a startup that gives you a tea, but उसमें मलाई कभी नहीं जमेगी, right? No matter how long do you keep it, उसमें मलाई नहीं आएगी, और आएगी तो अपने आप चली जाएगी. Let's build this thing, guys. Whoever builds this, I am gonna give you funding. Pretty equal to format. Yep. Where format can be one line, short, medium, full, fuller, reference, email, raw format, T format. When format is none of the above and has placeholder in it, is as if T format were given. Pretty formats. Yeah, I want to look at pretty formats now. Yep, there you go, right? So, okay, let's try short. T बंद कर दो फिर. वाह, तुम लोग को एक स्टार्टअप का आइडिया दिया, एक बोल रहा है ग्रीन टी पी लो, एक बोल रहा है टी ही बंद कर दो. मतलब मैं नहीं दे रहा फंडिंग तुम लोगों को ना. अच्छा खासा आई वाज गोना गिव यू सम 50-60 रुपीज़, लेकिन अब नहीं दे रहा मैं जॉब. या ऐसे मत किया करो यार. आई हैड होप्स इन यू गाइस. हाँ, सो देखो, वी आर बेसिकली टाइटल लाइन इज़ फाइन, बट वी आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर फुल कमिट मैसेज. या इवेंचुअली वी माइट ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज नाउ आई एम रियलाइजिंग कि यार इसको पूरा करते हैं भाई, आगे लेके जाते हैं ज़िंदगी में. भाई मुझे कोई तो मैसेज कर रहा है लगातार, बट मुझे मैसेज आ नहीं रहे हैं. ऑलराइट गाइस, गिव मी अ सॉन्ग दैट यू वांट टू लिसन एंड आई विल सिंग इट फॉर यू ऑल. चलो हो जाए. स्वराज के सिवा, स्वराज को मेरे गाने ही नहीं सुनने हैं. वियर्ड पीपल. Format string. The format the author of was this would show something like the author was this. Actually, we can just do author, the title, the placeholders are new line, raw, print a byte from. Okay, no, this is not helpful. Okay, no. Okay, switch line wrapping. Make the next placeholder no. Commit hash, yes. So I am looking for commit hash no. Oh fuck, shit. Sorry guys, पाँव पे लग गई. So tree hash we are not looking for parent hashes. Sorry for the एकदम से आवाज़. So we are looking for author name for sure. We are not looking for mail map. बाहर में जाए, पता नहीं क्या क्या. I don't know why people have so many things. Author local part. What does it mean? कुछ भी करने का है मतलब, हर चीज़ें दे दो, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, राइट? Author date, relative author date. हाँ ठीक है, I understand why it's important, but it's funny, right? So what we are looking for is, let's try this out, guys. Let's pretty equal to, let's say, tada, right? There you go. So we got the author. So if I show you, if I do this %an, so this will enable us. So even let's be even smarter. Let's do this so that we save a lot of things. We know committer name. We need committer name as well, I think. Let's do this. Linus Thomas enter the chat. आप यहाँ आए किस लिए? आए हैं तो आगे क्या है? आप यहाँ आए किस लिए? आए हैं तो काम भी बताइए या नाम भी बताइए. Committer date is not important. Ref names, decorate ref names without the ta. Describe, okay. Human readable name, bhai sahab. They have so many things. Subject, do we need subject? Sanitize subject lines suitable for a file name. Guys, I was never aware that there's a subject line. First of all, what does subject line mean? Optimizing Git commands. Oh, so what they basically do is probably they replace spaces with these hyphens so that you can actually have these subject files as a file name. I mean, subject lines as file names. Interesting, they have those options. Yep, there you go, guys. We are not looking for body, right? What is commit notes? Commit notes. There are no commit notes for me, I think. Yeah, I don't want no diff. So what I can do is no patch. There you go, right? You guys can see this now? आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार. Okay, reflog identity trailers. We don't need this all. I'm pretty sure. Guys, that's it. नहीं यार, don't you give up now. Won't you give up now. Let me love you. Let me love you. जहाँ गिट भी ना हो. अच्छा, डैम दैट स्लो. मैंने कुछ स्लो गाया क्या? जहाँ गिट भी ना हो, हाँ. ये रहा diff formatting. There you go, guys. अरे यार, इतना generate patch. See options. Okay, we are looking for no patch for sure. Um, yeah. So diff merges specify the diff format to be used for merge commits. No, we are not looking for diff merges. Combined all paths. No, not looking for this. Output, no. I'm sorry, guys. Show a summary of changes using the raw diff format. Is there a format equal to raw? What's no? I think raw इधर नहीं था. Let me try format equal to raw. Yep, there you go, right, guys. I think so. This is a raw format that you get tree parent. So these two things are not relevant to me. The point is, I want to see what are the files that were changed. So earlier we were using git diff tree for that, which is probably slow. Show tree objects. What is show tree objects? Not sure. -t. Let's do -t instead, right? Nahin. So how do you pass all these things, by the way? Diff merges and all this should work, right? Indent heuristic? Nahin. No indent? No. Minimal? Yeah, okay, let's try minimal, right? So it's gonna show me something. Tell me something. मेरी जान कर ले मुझसे एक बार. Anchor diff. What is anchor diff algorithm? Diff algorithm, patience, histogram, eyes. Baap re. Minimal spends extra time to make sure the smallest possible diff is produced. No, I don't. Stat is equal to generate a diff stat. By default, as much space as necessary will be used for the file name part. Okay, not really interested in this as well. Compact summary. Oh, there's a compact summary. Can I have compact summary? Does it give me something? At this point, I would have asked ChatGPT for this, but understanding all of this is very important if you want to really build something. So it does not support formats beside -p and -s. Interesting. Besharam log. I don't know. This doesn't. -summary is there. Okay. Yeah, this is interesting. It was double hyphen, right? Yeah. Okay, makes sense. 2 dashes there, right? Patches with start hyphen. Yeah, there you go. I was so weird. It was name only, right? Huh? Don't do that to me. No, yeah, please. No, you can't. This is not fair. Are yaar. No, this is not good. So what we will have to do is we'll have to launch. This is disappointing. Why would you not do this name only, right? What's so rocket science in it? So okay, fine. It isn't that bad as I made it sound just now. So what we can do is once we have this right, so now we are gonna need the commit hyphen. I don't know what is this %c. What is for commit URL? Yeah, let's also make sure that no color is there because I don't want anything. Okay, I don't word if hawk to array. Word diff rejects color words, no renames, turn off renames detection, check. By the way, Unhinged, is this your first time in the chat? I don't remember if you have been here before. So welcome if it's your first time, if I didn't welcome you properly. Um, find copies, irreversible delete, diff filter, select only files that are added, copied, deleted, modified, renamed, have their type, changed and unmerged, unknown, have their pairing broken. Let's see, does diff filter work with this? Because I wouldn't mind. Yeah, it does work. So what we can do is probably, so I'm only looking for files that are added, deleted, not really deleted to be honest. Or maybe I'm only looking for AM Sasurga Nati. Yes. Oh, Anhesh, this is your first time. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. YT recommended me an older video and it showed me you were live, so joined. Oh, okay. Which which video was recommended to you? I'm sorry if that video disappointed you because I know I don't have such a great quality of videos. So bhai Sasuka Nati, welcome यार. क्या क्या नाम रखते हो तुम लोग? How do you guys come up with these names, by the way? It's interesting. Hyphen G. Okay, guys, I think so far I'm very disappointed because what this means is that we'll have to launch two threads. I mean, launch not really, but spawn threads, right? Which I am not happy with, right? Acha, your repo. Acha, Enoch. Acha, हाँ यार, it's been so long. That was great. Okay, thank you so much. Right. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much. It's been such a long time. Are you still? I constantly keep checking on Insta kabhi kabhi whenever we put a story. So it's always good to see that you're doing well. Where are you nowadays? How are things with you, right? Um, yeah, there you go, guys. There you go. So we need a external diff driver. So I'm not sure if what are these things? Git attributes 5. We need to use this option with git log. Yes, and friends. Yes, exactly. So this is what I'm looking for. So probably they have some git, some external diff helper that we could use to make this work, right? The only problem is what are git attributes 5, right? So yeah. Oh, generating patch text. Can I also change this? Sasurka Nati is such a weird, nice name, na? Yeah, these people are crazy. They have. So I'll tell you, right? So I suck at naming. Okay, so if I'm asked to name a new function that is used by millions of people, I'm gonna say, guys, you know, no, can't be me because like my test, even whatever tests I write, for example, they are like, okay, pub function test something that does this, and I'm like, okay, and people will be like, test something, maybe let's say sparse case, right? I mean, not even case, let's test something sparse. Actually, my naming is not that bad. Actually, I would wrote that as well. Okay, I should take my words back. But I'm not sure if I'll be okay. Yeah, guys, combined diff format is what I'm looking for. So I'm not looking for combined diff format, right? So any diff generating command can take -c or cc option to produce a combined diff. Interesting. When showing a merge. No, we are not looking for a merge, right? So what we are looking for is some options. Mohit Wankhede from another account. Can someone please explain this to me? कि क्या चल रहा है? अरे यार, I just hit page up. This is not good. Okay, fine. Guys, no. Okay, can I? Is there a official Git? Okay, guys, I quit. Official Git man page. There is a man page for Git. Yeah, there you go. I think, yeah. Should have just used it. What were you guys doing? No, but it's not really helping, right? Git log. Is there git log? Oh, so they have a short log. Why do you have these things and why am I not told about these things? I just spent so much time on this. What is short log though? Does it work? Git short log, unknown option. It takes committer, numbered, line wrap output, group. No, it seems very weird thing to support if they don't support these options. Why would you support these things? What does it even do? Options, revision range, hyphen path. Okay, let me try this. Get short log. Okay. So these are all commits that were made. Oh, so per author name, they are suggesting all the commits I've made. Okay, no, not really. असिंक एंड पैरेलल में असिंक करके दिखाओ प्लीज. अरे क्या ये करके दिखाओ, वो करके ऐसा चल रहा है. Async and parallel, yeah, I mean concurrency is not equal to asynchronous, right? So asynchronous basically, let's say कि meanwhile, like while Mohit is blocked on fetching something, let me do something else, let me use that resource somewhere else, right? So let's say कि right now, simple question, I think, let me think about something. So like generally people do, right? When we have a cook coming in, he says like, okay, please get these vegetables for tonight, right? And while you have gone to fetch those vegetables, can you please something do it sometimes? Like, can you utilize the pan for something else while Mohit has gone to fetch vegetables, right? कोड करके चाहिए, भाड़ में जाओ बात भाई. One thing is for sure, I'm telling you guys, never write ये गूगल वाले आंसर नको. अरे बेशरम, तू गेम खेल भाई. गेम खेलते खेलते बकचोदी हो रही है यहाँ पे. हाँ, ये यही यही होता है मेरे साथ गाइस. दिस इज व्हाट ही डज विद मी. आई मीन, we have coded asynchronous though, but the thing is, I'm on a serious note, please try avoiding asynchronous as much as possible. I mean, if you need it, sure, do it. But one lesson I've learned is like it's not easy to debug. Like it's not at all easy. नहीं मन करता अब खेलने का. नहीं हो गया, बोर हो गया. हाँ, वो अब नहीं होता ना, लाइक बुढ़ापा सर चढ़ के बोल रहा है. अब हो गया यार. इट्स वियर्ड राइट गाइस. आप एक और जीएफ बना के दिखाओ, ट्यूटोरियल बनाओ. अरे वाह. नहीं भाई, रणवीर लाभादिया नहीं बनना है मुझे. आई डोंट हैव टू स्टार्ट विथ हाउ टू मेक अ जीएफ एंड देन स्टार्ट पॉडकास्ट. Yeah, I mean, for IO specific things, it makes sense to use asynchronous, but like it's not easy at all. And sometimes I'll tell you what, when you think that you're using asynchronous, but sometimes you're not really using it. Like it's not easy to immediately figure out whether asynchronous is really working or not. While for threading, it's still easy because you can see like are all threads getting used or not, right? So so Ranveer Lamadia started with like how like he was guiding guys how to impress a girl and all, and then suddenly he's like, I'm a Hindu and I'm all that person and all. But honestly, if you ask me, if let's say 10 years down the line, I also do something, and if they look at my history, they might be like, "Pehle he used to play Counter Strike, Valorant, kabhi kabhi, talk about all this stuff, right?" And then he is very famous. So I mean, everyone has a very like रणवीर का छोड़ो भाई, हमारी कौन सी हिस्ट्री बहुत क्लीन है, राइट? सो इट्स ओके, बट इट्स फनी दैट ही यूज्ड टू डू दैट. नाउ ही इज अ डिफरेंट पर्सन ऑल टुगेदर. येती तक पहुंच गया. हाँ भाई, दैट गाय इज अ क्रेजी पर्सन. या सो वी आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस बाय द वे. सो वी आर लुकिंग फॉर फ्रॉम फाइल रेंज या चंक हेडर. ओके, या कैन यू शो मी गिट लॉग नेम स्टेटस? नहीं. हाइफन पी फर्स्ट पैरेंट नहीं. It's time to ask ChatGPT about this, guys. Okay, let's see. I have git log -l 5,100 src main.rs. And what else did we have, guys? Let's copy this format and ask ChatGPT to give us something. Tell me something, मेरी जान कर ले मुझसे एक बार. Let's see first, does it understand? What is this doing? Let's see if it's understanding. Let me remove person C here. लेट्स सी इफ इट रिमेंबर्स. मेरी तो बहुत क्लीन है. अरे जाओ भाई, हम 10 साल बाद भी असिंकन पैरेलल ही पूछेंगे. हाँ, it has been the same. Okay, let's see. No merges, right? Pretty equal to this. Just a marker you can use for parsing. Author name, committer name. This is good. Sanitized commit message. Good for scripts. Body of the commit message. Yeah, this is good. Div format. Yep, there you go. So it does understand. Now I want you. Okay. Now I want to get the files edited per commit in this output as well, instead of the whole diff patch. How to? Now I want you. अरे बाप रे, क्या बात है. नाउ आई वांट यू, अच्छा अच्छा, ओके, सॉरी सॉरी, वो यू गाइस, यू नो लाइक लॉन्गेस्ट सबस्ट्रिंग वाला एक चीज होता है ना, यू लाइक लॉन्गेस्ट सबस्ट्रिंग रिलेवेंट टू find something that is shady in a person. You're like, yes, let's do that. Okay, now this is stupid, but okay, I do get what they're doing. So they are basically like, there's no option. So you find the relevant commits, then you go through each commit, and then you say git show name only pretty equal to format commit echo, and this is what they're doing. So which is basically what we figure out as well. Um, yep, there you go, right? So this is what they're doing. Are are रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के. Let me do git log and let me get this one commit ID. So I'm curious. So this is what it gives, right? So if I do name only, it does, yeah. So this is not relevant to me, right? So I can just do, what is it doing? Dot pretty equal to format commit. So dot hyphen pretty equal to, what is it? Format. Let me just do this. Yeah, there you go. I don't think even I'm looking for any commit. Yeah, I'm not looking for any commit here, honestly. Yep, there you go. I think this makes sense. Ta-da! What are the other options? Can I get help? Okay, get show hyphen help. What are the things? Pretty is there. Abbreviation commit, one line. Name only I want. And then I don't want anything else. Can you please give me show signature? No. Short, medium. Yeah, what is one line though? Okay. No, one line is not helpful. I see what they're trying to do. Let me see name only. Yeah, this I don't even need that thing to work. So I just want it to hide anything extra information it has. So expand tabs, notes, nope. Show signatures, pretty formats, yes. So can I just not do anything, right? Fuller, no, I don't want all these. Reference, I don't want. Email, I don't want. Raw format, no, I don't want. Format string, yes. So I can probably just do and say that, okay, don't give me anything. And that's what we were doing before, pretty equal to format and nothing. ठीक है. So this is what we do eventually. We do pretty. What was it, guys? Hyphen name only and hyphen pretty equal to this. There you go, right? So we have got this point, right? So now what we should do is, okay, we are coming closer to the end of this thing, guys. So please hold on. Don't you give up now, now, now. Won't you give up now, now, now? And let me love you. Sorry, guys. All right. Times, good times where I really miss using Zelich. I think I need Zelich to work right now and show me git log command that we were using. Yup, and there you go. Guys, भंवरे की गुंजन है मेरा दिल, कब से संभाले रखा है दिल, तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए, हा 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 हा, ta 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 ra ra, ta ra ra ra, ta ra ta ra ra, ta ra ra ra, ta ra ra ra. Where's the git show command, guys? What was it? Git show name only pretty equal to format, right? So I'm looking for pretty equal. I keep forgetting it's a string or not. Yeah, it's a string. Yeah, we will end up doing this, I guess. I don't know. It takes. Arey bhai, this is it, right? Uh, I'm sorry to irritate you guys with this, but let me quickly fix. I should have just replaced the parentheses, guys. I know. Okay, this is fine. So we have git show name only. I can do name only. Pretty equal to this. Commit hash hyphen r is not needed, I guess. Stored std out, and it just gives me the. Yeah, I think this is fine. It's gonna give me the same thing that I'm looking for. So get files for commit hash is something I can reuse. Pass is कहाँ है? आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार. Okay, guys, 1 second na. So we will need this, right? So what we are saying is for input stir. Let me look at this command output again. Okay, what happened here? Oh, we didn't pass no patch, is it? Are you liking the stream, guys? If you're liking the stream, please say hi एक बार and बता दो कि पसंद आ रही है stream. I'll feel good as well. If you have any feedback, you can give it to me as well. I'll take it happily. So keep on saying some things. अच्छा लगता है. ओ झटक के जुल्फ में तुम बारिशें आज़ाद करती हो, अच्छा लगता है. तता तरा तता 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 तता. Where's the commit hash? तू छुपी है कहाँ? Yeah, there you go. %. मैं तड़पता यहाँ. Okay, so this is what we can do, guys. So we don't need to even store anything. Okay, I should not have. Okay, %an, %f, %b, %c, %h. That's it. So love the stream and positive attitude. Thank you so much. Guys, सीखो देखो. This is his first time on the chat and he is already typing a lot. And meanwhile, my old viewers, they're like, छोड़ो भाई, क्या ही बात करनी है. अब तो हो गई ये बात. यही होता है. 10/10 better than my ex. अरे, with all due respect to your ex, but yes, yay. Not that, I mean, let me just clarify कि वो किसी और की ex की बात कर रहे हैं. कहीं ऐसा ना हो my ex comes in and says that, अच्छा बेटा, okay, let me see what I can do. Bye. Okay, I should shut up, I guess. Yeah. What is input stir, author stir, right? So we are looking for author stir equal to input stir. So the thing is, I'll tell you, okay? So we can probably split by, we can't split by spaces. That's a problem, right? So we, क्योंकि कुछ लोग के नाम इतने बड़े होते हैं, one of the examples is me. So we cannot do this, but that person is unhinged, makes sense. Yeah, okay. Weird, fair point. शाबाश. तो यही इन लोगों को ना कुछ लॉजिक दे दो. दे लाइक हाँ भाई वो बिकॉज ही कैन डू दिस, वी कैन नॉट. %f we don't need. %b, what is %b, guys? Do you guys remember? %b था क्या? Oh, it was some description if we have, is it? So we don't need %b and %h. We only need hash. Yeah, there you go. So what we can do is we can say, right, so format is, let me actually ask ChatGPT to write. So I'm going to show you how to write good prompt engineering, guys. Because so what we do is we say for each file, the format is A, author name, and then you have commit hash. There you go. So what it gives us is, now I'm going to ask it to parse for me. Look at this. हाँ ठीक है भाई, ठीक है. I don't need example. Now start writing code. There you go. Split white space dot collect. No, it's bad. I'm sorry. I expected too much from them. But I thought it will get it. Oh yeah, actually, you know what? We should probably have another delimiter that probably makes sense like this. Yeah. Because do I have split by? I think I should have split. Yeah, I think I should be able to get this here. Right? And this will give me vector and I can do let parts. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, you can do that. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, you can do that, right? So we got the commit hash and everything else. Now the point is author star. So this is author. Okay, author star. Okay, there you go, right? Commit hash is this. I'll just rename because it makes more sense. File path we already had. Contextual file paths, we are passing it as an empty for now. End line number, I don't know why we are passing end line number, to be honest. But let's continue doing it. I don't want to change the struct right away and kind of, be like, yeah, let's do everything in one go. So let's not do that. Let's walk step by step. पहली नजर में कैसा जादू कर दिया. Okay, yeah, now we need to change this. Git log -l. Now this is fine. Now, okay, so यहाँ पे this is how it goes. File path goes here. We do no patch, which is fine. We do no merges, which is also fine. We do pretty equal to a %an h %ah. and we do diff filter equal to am, because we only, sorry, बच्चे की लोगे जान क्या, sorry. There you go, guys, right? So, यार कुछ तो बात है. ओके नहीं अभी हुआ नहीं है, बट आई थिंक वी आर ऑलमोस्ट डन. क्या इतनी जल्दी हो गया? मज़ा नहीं आया ना? क्योंकि अभी हमने इसमें थ्रेडिंग यूज़ नहीं की है मेरे दोस्तों. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. टन 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 टन. Yeah, so also the problem is that we haven't done hyphen n, which basically means that, okay, please don't show me commits more than this, right? So I will have to say hyphen n, which is config object dot commit threshold. या तुम लोग को एक एक बात तो मैं बोलूँ, थोड़ी नार्सिसिस्ट साउंड करेगी, बट द कोड दैट आई हैव रिटन, I think I did a really good job initially as well. To, like I had config file. I knew that, okay, I can, like people would want to say that, okay, no, I don't want just 5 commits, I want 10 commits. So I did, honestly, like, it's a good hard work here. I mean, I like, I know it's very narcissist of me to say, but अच्छा लग रहा है. It's like these kind of hard works that pay off, not really paid off yet, but to me, like I never thought about ki I'll be able to come this far with respect to this project. So it's very beautiful whatever we have done so far. So let's continue doing it, है ना? अच्छे बच्चे की तरह काम करते रहते. What am I doing here though? Yeah, so I need to get files, right? ठीक है. And then we need to do this. Okay. Yeah, so let's also pass and let's say let append contextual file paths to struct. देखा मैंने बोला I suck at naming, but the good thing is that oh, it auto completed for me. Oh, it's writing a function for me. No, I don't. Nah. No, I don't really need this function, to be honest. What is it doing? So it takes an author details. So it takes one single struct. It gets the commit hash. It says get files for commit hash. Then it says all files changed equal to this, into it a filter. If it exists, collect कर लो, then put into author details, return the modified struct, and then basically what you do is, yeah, you do this, right? So you have a map that calls for each. So yeah, it's easy. So basically they are mapping a function for each author details. On a lighter note, GPT को बोल के कोड रिव्यू करें. कर सकते हैं. I think let's create a PR and ask Copilot to review our code. How does it sound? And by the way, Devashish, आओ ऑफिस कभी तो बताना. I know, I mean, you have been busy as well with things. Did you, not a topic to talk about on stream, I know, but did you find a flat? Extract details has a similar name that exists. I do have duplicate functions. What? नहीं यार, should not be the case. Should have a snake case name. Oh, sorry. तो अच्छा यार, ये तो चीज़ अपने आप फिक्स कर लेनी चाहिए. ये सब मुझे करना पड़ेगा. Oh, it worked. Okay. अब मैं फ्लैट अलोन हूँ. अब मिल गया फ्लैट. अच्छा, अकेले रहते हो क्या? नाइस. ओके गाइस, नो इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. नहीं, इट्स वर्किंग एक्चुअली. अभी तक हमने देखा नहीं है. लेट्स सी. या इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. हाँ, नो ऑथर इट इज़ फाउंड. व्हाई? डिड आई डू समथिंग रॉन्ग? ओके, यू नो व्हाट, ये जेलेज इज टेकिंग माई स्पेस कुछ ज़्यादा ही. कैन आई क्विकली डू जेलेज layout compact? I thought it supposed this. Oh, layout compact. अरे यार, कैसी बातें हैं ये? पता नहीं भाई, छोड़ो. जेलेज अभी यूज़ करने का मन नहीं है मेरा. It's taking too much space. But however so we want to go to git command algo.rs, and we want to be able to see that, okay, you got yeah, so past output एक बार print करके देख लेते हैं. नहीं, फ्लैटमेट घर गया. बाय द वे, दैट वाज होम अलोन रेफरेंस. अच्छा, ओके, फ्लैट अलोन. या, होम अलोन वाज सच अ रियली नाइस मूवी. Like, there are few things you can. Okay, guys, to you all, what are the movies that you can still watch, that you think you can still watch when you are 60 years old? What is that thing that you can still watch? Chalo, come on. Batao. Why is it? Yeah, this is fine. So, okay, if you guys see right, what's really happening is it's not printing anything to me. Uh, extract details found for file. Why was it trying to find? Okay, I think it didn't find for my. Okay, this was different. Yeah, this is where I like. Okay. Yeah, this. Are yaar. Yep, there you go. This is what I want, right? So it's not really printing anything. Extracted details for file, passed output MTA. So it does make sense that we have broken something. So let's go and look at git command elko.rs. Guys, we are, by the way, just 2 subscribers away from 1.42k. So if you are new to the stream, please subscribe kar dena. Now we are 1 subscriber away. Thank you for subscribing, whoever subscribed now. But please, it's not a push though. I know it's weird thing that I should not. But anyways, input stir कैसा आ रहा है? I think कहीं ना कहीं we are not wrapping up things nicely. Where is cargo build release? अरे भाई, अरे ऐसा करोगे आप? You know what? Actually, let me remove this as well. Yeah, let's see. Right, so input string is empty. Okay, first of all, how is it possible? I thought I wrote a really nice code, and then it's like ये ले तेरा nice code तुझे दे दिया वापस. ऐसे हो कैसे सकता है? Did I not launch the process? I thought I did. So this is fine, right? Can I get the command? Yeah, let's get this command first. Let's get the command here. And let's say let output equal to command dot stood out, right? Temporary value is feed at the end of the statement. I understand. There should be let command new git. Yeah. I mean, I get it what I'm doing. So do you want me to create like this? Oh, so you want me to create this first? Huh? And basically then it's expecting me to add some args to it, right? And now what's your problem? Do you want it to be .toString or something? अरे यार क्या? Like seriously? Your new Vim setup looks cool. Hi Volatile Eagle. Thank you so much for joining. Your first time, is it? Thank you, and I'm really happy that you like the setup. Not that it's okay. Yeah. Okay. Git log -l. One. Okay. First of all, doesn't look like really I'm having spaces in these. But I mean, these are args though, to be honest. So this should be fine. So what I immediately see what's happening is probably that. Yeah. No, I'm still not able to print this though, right? Can I do git current DI, get data for line, no get args? No, I want you to print give me. Yeah, so this is something I'm worried about, guys. Hey, hi Asta, thank you so much for joining. Welcome everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for joining everyone. So what's going on right now for context, guys, is that we did end up using threading. If you guys are curious, this is where we using threading. So arc is basically to automatic reference counting, because you need, so when you're using threading, you need to make sure that reference counting is safe, right? So that's why arc basically makes any data structure automatically reference counted. So we were doing that, but eventually we figured out that we can optimize the git command flow only. And the wrong thing I'm seeing right now is that I'm probably not passing the command of git correctly. So we are doing git log -l start line number, end line number. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, this is not right. No, wait, what happened here? Okay, what are you doing? ये बिना बताए क्यों करता है कुछ भी मुझसे Copilot? This is not fair. They should not do that. I mean, they're expected to do that. I'm sorry. But okay, yeah. Now the thing is, see, if you look at the command, I thought I was printing command. Where is it? But is there no way to print the command that will actually be running? Yeah, so if you see what's happening, so we are doing git log hyphen l 1 comma 451. So let's do this, okay? Dekho, one, okay, it's 1 comma 451. Then we do this, and then we do users, KR Shimali, documents, project source codes, context pilot, RS, src db.rs, and I do hyphen n5, no merges, pretty equal to, I do a n h a h. This is for commit hash and all. Diff filter equal to am, and then I do no patch. Right, so it does work. Okay, wait a minute. I'm not concerned about it immediately, but this should have been fine, right? Or did it not work because it expected me to give it this? Why this did not work? It's working though. Oh, it's probably percent %ah is not right. Oh, sorry, it was percent %h. Yeah, there you go, right? Now it works. So, did I do it incorrectly here? Why am I passing? Okay, commit hash should be with this, right? Now let me see. Yep. So over here now this looks fine to me. 1451. This no merges. This is fine. Now I see an immediate problem, which is probably okay. You know what? It's very easy thing to do honestly. So you do command.std out. So stood out dot pipe stood err std stood io piped. So what this basically does is it also gives us a failure, right? I guess it will. So we can probably, no, we could not. I think it's a simple mistake I'm doing, but I'm trying to figure out. So we do, yeah, because there's no space as such there, right? So probably we need to do format. I never wanted to do this. Okay, you know what? Something like this, yes. And let's get rid of this, and we do, yeah, I think this would have worked. Yes. And then hyphen n is fine. So we are saying that, okay, it's a space, you do this, that this is fine. This seems fine to me as well. Oh, cargo build release. Then we do target. Yeah, there you go, guys. Now you guys can see. Come on, कुछ तो खुश हुआ करो यार तुम लोग. अच्छा, I think you're already happy, I know. But you guys see, like, it's giving us last 5 commits, right? I'm assuming each commit is different. Passed output is coming up fine. No, it's not coming up fine. So passed output, okay, it was not able to pass output because I think I did not do, yeah, so the problem is now, I'll show you guys what's happening, okay? So when you do this, right, and FYI, I don't think I should be really now piping std error. So I don't want people to basically go through it, which, yeah, no, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, we can probably get stood err buffer output as stood err here and say that, okay, because it will be useful for debugging for sure. So I do understand that. Now the problem is that I can do split and I can say, can you please split by new line here? And this should work. Are you guys ready? Yay, it broke. क्या बात है, इतना अच्छा कोड लिखता हूँ मैं, क्या भाई, क्या बेशरम इंसान हूँ. अब wait guys, I need to print a line. So that's the thing about me, right? No one needs to give me feedback. मैं already अपने बारे में बहुत critical हूँ. So मेरी तारीफ किया करो आने के बाद. Okay guys, thank you so much for understanding. Okay, so it's a string of a string, huh? क्या देखते हो? Okay, wait a minute. Right, so this does make sense. So problem ये नहीं है. Problem ये है कि कहीं ना कहीं I'm continuing, which is probably wrong, right? So क्योंकि I'm checking कि parts दो नहीं बने तो, right? So parts are, so parts की length is 2, right? So it should be fine. As you can see, like this is what I'm getting. Yeah, this does look fine to me, to be honest. um okay, parts मिल तो गए. Parts dot length is less than 2 भी नहीं है. Let's just make sure that we do println or something, skipping line, because for debugging purposes only. Yeah, we're not skipping lines, so that's good. I'm happy about it. In general, I'm very happy about things like these. Parts of 0 should be fine. This should be fine. It should create a... Did it not? This... I do expect this to work. Which OS are you using? Hi, German. Thank you so much for joining. It's the first time, huh? I'm using Mac. I'm on my Mac right now. I quit on Linux and Windows recently. I'm having my PC as a server right now. I plan to set it up, but for streaming and all, Windows was good, Linux was not. For coding, Linux was good, Windows was not. Eventually, I thought Mac is good. Yeah, I think everyone will understand my point of view here. But author details is not getting formed correctly. So that's okay. So it's good that. So one thing is there that it's a stupid bug. So we don't need to worry too much about it. So I am curious. Generally, I'm a curious person. But can you please print this for me? And let's see. Kyuki, I wish we had breakpoints in Rust. Okay, it does seem to work. So trim, what's really trim doing, by the way? What does trim do? Okay, no, trim is not relevant. Then they should have worked. Author stir to string should have worked. Serialized from stir. Oh, ouch. No, this is not good, guys. This is not good. Yeah, this is like something I don't expect anyone to do. Yeah. This is what's doing basically. Pass dot is empty, split white space, collect. Yeah, this is what I would just expect them to take the whatever you have, just take it. Be more accept. Or we can, but for now I'm expecting it to just be very grounded and be like, okay, you give me whatever, I will take that, right? I want it to be like this. And line number was something I want. Okay. Now this is interesting. Hi, yes. Hi, German. Yes, thank you for joining, guys. If anyone is new, guys, don't mind subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button. We have reached 1.42k, so that's a really good thing. Congratulations. After 4 years, every year we have been gaining how many? Close to 300 subscribers. So that's a really bad progress, I know. But yeah, it is what it is. The thing is, what I'm looking for is probably the line number as well. No, but why am I looking for line number here? Okay. Am I really looking for a line number here? Maybe I am. Mm-mm. Mm. Yep, there you go, right? Can I please get pretty equal to an h %h? No, okay, and no patch. Okay, cool. I think this is working fine. The only problem is we need to propagate line number here. So I'm taking this for now, but please don't get me wrong. I don't think this is a right way to do things. So yeah, I acknowledge that. Mm, yeah, this is fine. All right, guys. So this is working fine now. This should work as long as we don't do a spelling mistake like this. Okay, so I am expecting this to work fine now. Yeah, there you go. Now it's working. So one thing we need to do is probably fix the authors, right? So wait, did it? Yeah, I think it's working fine. So we can get rid of this. We can get rid of parts. Printing, we can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. Skipping line is fine. I don't want to print anymore. I don't want to print this anymore. Um, this is fine. Now what I want to check is whether we are able to see right now this commit hash is not good, right? Because so what you ideally need to do is probably do this and do dot probably first, I guess. Why do you want to take Okay, I am gonna keep it simple, but eventually this is, oh wait, first we need to fix the commit, right? Yeah, there you go. So this is good idea to replace the commit with this. Can I also replace, yeah, something like this works for me, right? So let's do it again. Yeah, there you go. Right. So yeah, this is fine, right? Or is it not? So we are doing something seems off here though, to be honest. If you ask me, something seems off. So should have done for each line, is it? Yeah, the more I think I was happy about it, the later I realize I was not. It's not good, yeah. So while indexing, you really need to start with each line. Come to think of it, I don't know if I was right before or wrong. Because the start line number needs to, yeah, this is not good, right? Yeah, like, so the point is, can I start with, yeah, I can do probably, no, I don't want to do that. This is gonna be really ugly. But okay, let's do it. Passed output I don't need. Yeah, so maybe what makes sense is to call this for each line number. Should be quick. I think I should be able to do this. So for, yeah, like for I in start line number dot equal to n line number. If I equal to 0, you there's, yeah, I equal to 0 is invalid, by the way. So we don't really need to worry about it. We'll always have starting with 1. So we should be starting with the, mm, 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 let me just say, Arey bhai. Yeah, there you go, right? So now what's happening is, you let's have let final author details or something. Okay, as I said, I'm not good in naming variables, so that's okay. Makes, does it make sense right away to, I don't know. Okay, uh, I'm not gonna use something like, it needs a mutation, is it? Happy? Yeah, and you don't need to, yeah, something like this should be fine now. So what this basically does is, now over here you do something like this and this should work fine. Yeah, I don't touch. Yeah. So we're launching 2000 git commands per line. Though this is not good. Git blame was better. Or was it not? Okay, git blame was better. Okay, guys. All for nothing, I guess. Let's see, anyways. Arey, what am I doing? Cargo build release. Okay. Yeah, this is okay. You guys gonna see this now. This is gonna take a lot of time. I mean, we are not printing anything right away, but this indexing is gonna be really slow. I thought I was printing something. Yeah, there you go. Right. So this is even slower than what it was supposed to be. So this is like eventually bad. And let's go to context pilot DB. It's possible I'm missing something, so don't worry. There's nothing. There's no reason to quit on this, but I can see that why this is. Yeah, this is commit hash author full name Kushash Shmali origin file path. Contextual file path is empty, so I think contextual file path is not working fine. Um, but that's fine. I think what we should have just done is probably just continued using this. Don't get disappointed. Sometimes you do all this effort for nothing. And we should have just used git diff 3 ki jagah we should have used git show, which is probably fine. Let's see. Why does it fail? Ah, so where is it? Where is it past her, right? Okay, you know what? Like, I can probably just copy this and make sure that, okay, I did change a lot of things. Okay, let's bring it back. Yeah, this is fine now. Yeah, and this past, okay, what's your problem? Yeah, Yeah, over here, right? So let me bring you back as well. And maybe I'll just rename it as, no, I think I should just comment it out. Compiler will fail. Right, so over here, line number is not required anymore. This should be fixed now. Things should be normal. We should be able to build. Yeah. Yep, there you go. No, why did it fail? Output length क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? Am I even getting the right output here? Yeah, I think I'm getting the right output here. But what's really going on here? Uh, Mute or third it is. Vec input star. Okay. No. I did change a lot of things, guys. Shit, man. This is not good. I don't. Okay, what was the pastor output before? I think I should just copy that. Still want to continue using the. Where's pastor? Parsed. There you go, right? So this is what we had before. Yeah, I think just continue doing it and it should be fine. I mean, we can surely optimize this as well. It's not a problem. So guys, this is where like understanding the bottleneck is very important, right? Like whenever you, arey, how do I? Yeah, this should be fine now. Yeah, I'm assuming this will be faster than before. But the point is, I'll tell you, right? So can we make git blame happier than before? That's the point. Let's think about it because this. Okay, can why could we not do with git log hyphen l though? Do you guys understand what was going on though? No or yes? एक तेरे संग यारा हथ लड़ने लगी हथ लड़ लड़ के आंखें मिलने लगी. Okay, yeah, it does seem to work. It's just like the point is I'm not happy with how things are going here. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna stop streaming now. It did work eventually. Things are fine. I don't know if query will work. Let's see query as well. Yeah, it will not work right now. That's okay. I don't mind. Oh no, wait a minute. Yeah, I think I know what's happening. Cool, guys. I think I should. For algo loc dot. Wait, we have. Do we really have? I thought yeah, we only have one file, right? Yeah. Okay. Cool, guys. We broke a lot of things. I need to go back and look at this again. So I'll talk to you again, guys, later. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. It was a probably a 1.5 hour stream, so still good for me to. I'm happy that we could do it, but yeah, it doesn't sound like I'm happy with this process. Okay, I'll optimize this. I'll think about it. We'll see if we can optimize this later. Thank you so much, Devashish, German, Volatile Eagle, Astha, Unhinged, Mohit Wankhede. Who else was there? Swaraj was here. I know Sasur Kanati, Enoch was here. Sonan was here initially. Thank you so much for guys. I mean, thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I haven't had anything yet, khane mein, so I think I'll continue starving to death. And I'll see you guys again. Take care. Thank you again. Thank you so much, guys, for the support and being here. Chalo, bye. Bye bye.